To remove the Steam Mobile Authenticator without access to your phone, open Steam on your browser and navigate to the top of the page to click on Support. Once on the support page, scroll down and click on My Account. Then select Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Click on My Issue Isn't Listed, which will open a form to send a help ticket to Steam. Also, before doing this, you must be logged in into Steam. In the form, clearly explain your problem and make your case convincing. To verify your ownership of the account, attach proof such as credit card details used for purchases, CD keys for games, activation codes, or other related information. These details are crucial for Steam to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account. Once all fields are filled out and evidence is attached, click Send to submit your request. Afterward, wait for Steam support to contact you with further instructions or resolutions.